Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to create pocket from sketch. Create new drawing and change into part design. Create body, create sketch. I will choose top plan. For example, I will draw rectangle. Close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to create pocket from sketch, you need to create sketch. Like in there, I will click at this face and create sketch. Now, for example, I will draw with this polylines, like this. Create a simple sketch, and you can close. Now you can select the objects and go to Pocket Tools to Pocket Sketch, like this. You also can set for the length in it, like I will set into 10. And you can set taper angle at this option, like 45 degree, or taper angle 45 degree. And if you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial, how to create pocket from sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.